Welcome to our review of the top 5 best DSLR cameras. In this video, we'll explore cutting-edge features, stunning image quality, and unmatched performance. Stay tuned until the end to discover the camera that truly redefines photography and offers the best value for your investment this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Number 5. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III Canon's flagship DSLR built for speed, precision, and power. This is a professional-grade camera designed for sports, wildlife, and any fast-paced environment. Let's break down what makes this bundle an incredible package. The 1DX Mark III feels like a tank, rugged, weather-sealed, and ready for extreme conditions. Its ergonomic grip and intuitive button layout make long shoots comfortable. You also get a hand strap and camera bag in the bundle, adding extra convenience for on-the-go shooting. Inside, you'll find a 20.1 megapixels full-frame CMOS sensor paired with the DIGICX processor. This combo delivers stunning image clarity, accurate colors, and impressive low-light performance. The ISO range of 100 to 102/400, expandable to 819/200, ensures you're ready for any lighting challenge. With up to 16 FPS using the optical viewfinder, or 20 FPS in live view, this camera is a speed demon. The 191-point EOS ITR-AFX system with face and head detection ensures razor-sharp focus even for unpredictable subjects. Videographers will love the 4K 60p recording, Canon log, and even 5.5K RAW support. Dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures smooth cinematic focusing for professional quality footage. The included 128GB CF Express card, flexible tripod, memory card wallet, and cleaning kit make this package ready for immediate action. No extra purchases needed. Overall, the Canon EOS 1DX Mark III bundle is a complete powerhouse for pros who demand speed, reliability, and versatility. Number 4. The flagship APS-C camera that blends timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge tech. If you love photography and demand performance, stick around, because this little powerhouse packs some seriously impressive features. The K3 Mark III boasts a newly designed optical viewfinder with a 100% field of view and 1.05x magnification. It delivers a wide, bright image comparable to full-frame cameras thanks to improved pentaprism reflectance. Framing your shots feels immersive, natural, and crystal clear, making composition a joy every time. With an astounding top ISO of 1.6 million, this camera thrives in challenging lighting. Multi-dimensional image space filtering reduces noise while preserving detail, ensuring textures and contours remain sharp. Whether you're shooting a dimly lit street or a candlelit dinner, the results are stunningly detailed with minimal grain. The K3 Mark III introduces Pentax's first K-mount with electromagnetic diaphragm control. Combined with a rear focus system, PLM pulse motor, and direct drive LED screw, autofocus is quick, precise, and whisper quiet. This makes it ideal for capturing fast action or recording video without distracting mechanical noise. Its short minimum focusing distance of just 0.95 meters lets you explore detailed close-ups. Flowers, textures, and small subjects come alive with incredible clarity. Paired with ED lens elements, you'll get beautifully sharp images and rich, saturated colors, even when shooting at the lens's closest focusing range. The K3 Mark III's weather-resistant construction means you can confidently shoot in rain, snow, or dusty trails. Its robust body protects advanced optics, so adventure photographers can focus on creativity instead of worrying about their gear. This camera truly feels like a trusted companion for every journey. The Pentax K-3 Mark III isn't just a camera, it's a statement of passion for photography. With unmatched viewfinder clarity, incredible ISO range, precise autofocus, and rugged durability, it's ready for any challenge. If you want an APS-C camera that delivers on every front, this might be your perfect match. Number 3. The Nikon D780, a camera that blends DSLR reliability with mirrorless speed. If you've been searching for a versatile, full-frame workhorse that handles both photography and video beautifully, stick around. This one's worth your attention. The Nikon D780 packs a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering stunning detail and rich color. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or low-light scenes, the results are crisp and vibrant. Paired with Nikon's renowned lenses, every shot feels alive and ready for professional use. At the heart of the D780 is the EXPEED6 image processor, giving you faster performance, reduced noise, and smoother tonal transitions. It's not just speed, it's about precision and maintaining that gorgeous image quality, even when pushing the ISO higher. Videographers will love the D780's 4K UHD capabilities. With full pixel readout, your footage is sharp, cinematic, and free from distracting artifacts. You can also shoot slow motion in full HD, perfect for creative storytelling. Thanks to Nikon's SnapBridge app, transferring images is effortless. Share your shots instantly, or use your phone as a remote monitor. It's quick, simple, and perfect for on-the-go creators. Landscape and astrophotography fans rejoice. The D780 allows remoteless long exposures. No extra gear needed, just beautiful, blur-free results. The Nikon D780 is a hybrid powerhouse, perfect for photographers and videographers who want the best of both worlds. Reliable, fast, and creatively flexible, it's a camera that truly grows with you. Number 2. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, a camera that's made waves in the photography world for its balance of power, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a pro or a passionate hobbyist, this full-frame beauty has a lot to offer. The 5D Mark IV packs a 30.4 megapixels full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering sharp, detailed images with rich colors. Its 3:2 aspect ratio makes it ideal for both stills and video. This sensor strikes a great balance between resolution and low-light performance, giving your shots that professional, magazine-worthy clarity. With up to 7 frames per second continuous shooting, this camera handles action with ease. Sports, wildlife, or candid moments, you won't miss the shot. The speed feels snappy, and combined with a deep buffer, it's perfect for fast-paced environments without slowing you down. The 61-point AF system, featuring 41 cross-type points, ensures precision focusing. The expanded vertical coverage is great for off-center subjects, while tracking is smooth and reliable. Even in challenging lighting, it locks onto subjects quickly, making it a go-to for portraits, events, and moving subjects alike. The ISO range of 103.2,000, expandable to 50102400, means you can keep shooting when the light fades. You'll capture clean, usable images in dim venues or outdoor nights, without drowning in noise. This flexibility gives you confidence in any lighting situation. Offering around 12 stops of dynamic range, the 5D Mark IV handles shadows and highlights beautifully. You can recover details in post-processing without sacrificing quality, making it ideal for high-contrast scenes like sunsets, cityscapes, or dramatic portraits. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a powerhouse, blending stunning image quality, dependable speed, and impressive low-light capability. For photographers who want a reliable workhorse with professional results, this camera is an investment that truly pays off. Number 1. The Nikon D850, a powerhouse DSLR that's made waves among photographers and videographers alike. With incredible resolution, insane dynamic range, and pro-level video capabilities, this camera promises a lot. Let's see if it actually delivers. The Nikon D850 features a backside illuminated, full-frame image sensor with no optical low-pass filter. At 45.7 megapixels, it produces jaw-dropping detail and dynamic range, perfect for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The lack of a low-pass filter also means sharper images with virtually no moire issues. Need speed? The D850 delivers up to 9 frames per second at full resolution, complete with full autofocus performance. This makes it equally suited for wildlife, sports, or fast-moving subjects. It's rare to see such high resolution combined with rapid shooting speeds without sacrificing image quality or focus accuracy. This camera's time-lapse potential is extraordinary. It can capture 8K time-lapse sequences with stunning clarity and 4K time-lapse straight out of the camera. Every frame bursts with detail, making your cityscapes, star trails, or nature sequences look cinematic, without the need for complicated post-production stitching or extra software. For videographers, the D850 offers true 4K Ultra HD recording and slow motion up to 120 FPS at 108p. The image quality is crisp, colors are accurate, and dynamic range remains excellent in video mode. It's an ideal hybrid shooter for creators balancing stills and high-quality motion footage. From the tilting touchscreen to focus shift shooting mode, Nikon clearly designed the D850 for versatility. The body feels rugged yet ergonomic, and battery life is outstanding. Whether shooting in the studio or on location, it keeps you shooting longer without constantly swapping batteries or losing comfort. The Nikon D850 isn't just a camera. It's a creative tool that blends resolution, speed, and versatility. Whether you're a professional or a passionate enthusiast, it's built to handle almost any challenge. If you want uncompromising quality and performance, the